Let's discuss about vacuoles for a crash course or early revision. So normally, vacuoles were discovered by the scientist Anton von Leeuwenhoek in 17th century. And normally vacuoles are the cellular cavities. They are the cellular cavities. Suppose this is the vacuole present. They are the cellular cavities. And inside the cellular cavities, we find the fluids are present. So these are cellular cavities filled with fluids. And normally we find the vacuole membrane is a single membrane, and it is a single membrane. It is single membrane. So the vacuole membrane is a single membrane structure. And normally inside the vacuole we find water present, cells are present, excretive products are present, and waste and non-useful metals are present. And the membrane of this particular vacuole is called as tonoplast, because tonoplast is a special type of membrane that maintains its concentration gradient. So normally the vacuole membrane is single membrane. It is a single membrane structure, as I have already discussed. And in plants, about 90% of the cell is controlled by these vacuoles. For example, suppose this is the cell present. So inside the cell we find the vacuole present is a major portion, that is 90% of the region is controlled by vacuoles. Why? Now this 90% not only helps in maintaining the concentration gradient, it also helps in maintaining the cell turgidity, it also helps in maintaining the cell shape. And the tonoplast membrane helps in engulfing or import of ions into the vacuoles, thereby making the concentration of vacuoles higher than that of the cytoplasm. So normally inside the vacuole we find the concentration is very high, for which it maintains the turgidity of the cells, also it maintains the cell shape of the cells. And we have different types of vacuoles present, like in an animal cell we find vacuoles present that is called as contractile vacuoles that maintain osmoregulation and excretion, acts as the kidney-like function. And in protista we find these vacuoles present called as modified, that is food vacuoles, that do helps in intracellular digestion, that is it engulfs the food and helps in digestion. So collectively the function of vacuole is storage, waste removal, osmoregulation, and maintain internal pressure within the plants. So this is a brief description about the vacuoles, and a detailed description we'll find in a long videos. Okay, thank you for watching.